Hi there! Are you looking to sell your plugin using WooCommerce? Let Appsero make this process easier. Using WooCommerce to sell your plugin will require you to manage licenses. Appsero auto-generates licenses and even helps you to push updates from a code hosting platform such as GitHub. As you sell your plugins from WooCommerce, you may need to execute email campaigns, so you can integrate email marketing services from your Appsero dashboard. Let's not forget about plugin analytics. Appsero can display analytics for each and every plugins. You may also be required to provide customer support as your customer base grows. With Appsero, you have the option to integrate from easy digital downloads to WooCommerce. So if you're looking to sell and manage your plugins using WooCommerce, check out our tutorial on how to sell your first plugin with WooCommerce using Appsero. If you need more information on using WooCommerce to manage and sell your plugins, be sure to check out Appsero.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos on managing your WordPress plugins.